Hey guys, got this LG TV. It's doing this like pulsing where it skips like this every now and again. This, or maybe lines going across the screen horizontally or whatever, seems to be a fairly common problem with them. Okay, so pop the back off your TV and this is what you'll see. This is the power board, so be very careful. If you have it plugged in and turned on, there will be live electricity here, so be very careful. They're all nearly the same when you pop them off. You'll have this board, and then you might have a cable coming to a separate board which will make them split. This one doesn't have it. If it has one, it's called a T-con board. It'll be a third little small board. Well, what we're looking for is these two ribbon cables, or they could be coming out of your T-con board here if you have a T-con board. So basically what you want to do is flip these cables. These just pop up, pull them out, and then turn the TV on and see if it's made any difference. That's normal because you've disconnected one side. So you can see here it's still jumping this side, but we still have the picture, and we turn it off. Let's put you down to get the remote. So back here we're going to pop this one back in and flip it around. As you can see, this time now we're not getting a picture at all coming through, and like ideally when they're plugged out, one side should be white, one side should be black, where you can see this time the white side isn't white. Based on what we saw there, because we've no picture with this one unplugged, I would think that this is the one that we want to focus on. So the fix for this is you cover some of the pins on the one you want, and this stops some of the clock signals coming from this board or from the T-con board. If it's the T-con board you have, are doubled up, so they're coming from both sides. So if you block them on the side that's messed up, they still come and the telly still picks them up from the other side. There could be an issue where maybe your grey mightn't be as grey, your blacks mightn't be as blacks, but I mean the jumping will be gone. And in the case of this TV, this is a fairly old TV. I mean, it's not worth, even if I couldn't fix it, I wouldn't be devastated by it. But on mine is kind of simple to work it out, because if you can see here, these lines, these traces come across here and back into this one. So it's these ones here. See if you can pick them up. There, those ones where the trace. It's those ones there where the traces go in that I'm going to try and cover. So they're the ones I'm going to cover with a bit of tape. I'm going to put a bit of tape around here covering the pins. I'll show you in a sec. Okay guys, so here it is now, back working, and I'll just show you what I did. So this might take a little bit of trial and error. So there's where I have my tape. It's probably after slipping a bit now as I pulled it out, but you want to just cover these pins. Mine is probably slipped there as I pulled it out. The first time I done this, the tape was a little bit thick, so when I turned it on, the lines had stopped jumping and all that, but you could see little white lines. They were very small. You probably wouldn't notice them far away, but you could definitely notice them here. You could see them in the picture. So I moved it a little bit, and then it almost looked fine, but the colours were every now and again just changing slightly. You'd see them just change on, like go a little bit darker, a little bit lighter. So it might take just a little bit of moving your tape backwards and forwards just till you get the right spot. You might have to maybe cover more pins, maybe cover less pins. But so that kind of took me 2 or 3 attempts to settle on this. You can see this bit of tape here which was a bit thick, which I gave up on. So I've probably covered, I don't know, 5 or 6 pins there, so that's probably what corresponds to here. So you may need to try around a little bit and see what works for you, but hopefully this will help you out. I just want to add, guys, if you are adjusting your little bit of tape, make sure you actually power off the TV completely between each adjustment to check. Either plug it out here at the plug or turn it off at the wall or whatever, plug it out. But make sure, don't just turn it off with the remote or whatever. You have to turn it off completely between each try to check, because I found before if you didn't do that, it wouldn't register really that you'd made the change of the tape. So make sure you plug it out completely. Like I said, you might find, say, maybe your greys aren't as grey or your blacks aren't as black, you know, but they should be fine, especially if it's an older TV like this and you're just trying to keep it running for a while. Okay guys, hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching.